Hey everybody, in this video, we're gonna take over Simply Made Fancy and we're gonna do a DIY project where we're basically going to build a nice little entryway coat rack cubby area for our family. So stay tuned. All right, so I got my little helpers, helper number one and helper number two.
We got our toy tools to help you.
So we cleared up the area. This is actually what it looks like when there's nothing there. And but first, in order to secure these properly, we need to find studs. Interesting thing about this wall, there's absolutely no signs as to where the studs are. So I have to use a 20-year-old stud finder and good judgment to try to figure out where the studs are so we can secure these slats. Just line them up. Basically, this is what it's going to look like once it's on the wall. Try to line it up as nice as possible. Only thing that's a little monkey wrench is that there's a light switch like right around here. So I'm going to have to figure out where it is, mark it, and then cut one of the boards accordingly. You think we can do it?
Yep.
Let's do it. It's up, it's nice. I'll be able to put the second board in, and then the third board I'll just need to cut that little notch for the outlet, but everything is looking good, guys. Yeah?
Yeah, because we're gonna finish up before dinner comes.
Yeah.
And of course, with every group project, we got a little bit of plumbers.
What are you doing? That's private.
And then we got our cleaner upper, right, Logan? Dylan, are you helping Daddy?
What is Lisa? Yeah.
Hi, update. So this is what we got so far. We were able to go to my friend Joe's house. He was able to cut the boards for me. I'll show you in a second. We were able to cut some of these boards in half. So this is one of them. This is an extra one actually. So we cut it in half, and then we were able to use that to fill in this little gap here. So it's not very sexy, but we're gonna have shelves here, and this corner you're not really gonna see it that much. And if we want to, we could always use putty and kind of cover up all the screw holes. And so now we're going to use some of these very inexpensive L brackets and put up 2 levels of shelves here. So one is going to be about here and the other one a little bit higher, and then 2 shelves up on top. So let's see, what do you think, babe? My wife's confidence gives me the energy I need to get this job done. So we did it. We put the shelves up. We have to figure out the spacing and everything. We got the shoe rack underneath. We had to figure this out with the coats because we have 3 small boys and then myself and my wife, and then we have an extra hook that we're just going to use for keys for now, and not too shabby. Of course, I'm exhausted. As you can tell, it's late, but it's done. Happy wife, happy life. And that's it, there it is. I'm putting my coat right here, as you can see, and it came out pretty good, I gotta say. We obviously have a lot of stuff Usually it's just covered in coats and because we have coats and book bags and everything. So it's been working out. It's a lot better than it was before, as you saw. So if you like this video, if this was helpful, please make sure you leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you follow and you check out some of the other videos as well. So once again, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.